What if I told you that you could start a business today without spending a single dollar up front? Yep, you heard that right. No cash, no inventory, just a brilliant idea and a bit of hustle. Sounds too good to be true? Stick around because I'm about to blow your mind with small business ventures that require no startup capital. These side hustles are not only unique but rare gems in the world of entrepreneurship. We're diving into ideas that hardly anyone is talking about, yet they have the potential to rake in huge profits. Ready to turn that untapped potential into cold, hard cash? Let's jump in. 1. Digital Memorial Creator. In the digital age, people want to preserve memories in a meaningful way. But traditional photo albums and scrapbooks just don't cut it anymore. That's where you come in. As a digital memorial creator, you can offer personalized digital memorials for individuals who want to honor a loved one's life online. This could include custom websites, interactive timelines, and even virtual memory books. Potential profit, $300 to $2,000 or more per memorial. Why it works. People value personalization and are willing to pay a premium for unique, heartfelt tributes. You can start for free using platforms like WordPress, Canva, and Google Sites, and create a digital memorial that's both interactive and beautiful. Pro tip, market your services to funeral homes, hospice care centers, and grief support groups. You'll be filling a much-needed service that's rarely talked about. 2. Personalized Songwriter for special occasions. Have a way with words or a knack for music. You could become a personalized songwriter for special occasions like weddings, birthdays, or anniversaries. People are willing to pay top dollar for a custom song that encapsulates their emotions and memories, making it a gift that's truly one of a kind. Potential profit, $200 to $1,000 or more per song. Why it works. People are always looking for unique ways to express their love and appreciation for others. A personalized song not only hits them emotionally but is something they can cherish forever. Pro tip, you don't need fancy recording equipment to start, just a good mic, a guitar or keyboard, and some creativity. You can sell your services through Fiverr, custom song websites, or even your social media channels. 3. Nature Immersion Guide for Urbanites. City life can get stressful, and many urban dwellers are seeking ways to reconnect with nature. Offer nature immersion experiences, guided walks, forest bathing sessions, or outdoor mindfulness exercises in urban parks. This is a rare but growing trend that combines wellness, relaxation, and nature therapy, with no need for upfront costs. Potential profit, $100 to $500 or more per session. Why it works. Urbanites are craving ways to de-stress, and nature immersion offers a low-cost but high-impact experience. You don't need any fancy equipment, just local knowledge and a calming presence to guide people through these sessions. Pro tip, start with free or donation-based sessions to build your reputation, then scale up by offering group packages or even corporate wellness retreats. Subscription Box Curator, 4 free samples. We all know about subscription boxes, but what if I told you that you could create one without any inventory? That's right. Become a subscription box curator by sourcing free samples from businesses that are eager to promote their products. You collect the free samples, package them, and ship them off to your subscribers who pay a monthly fee for the service. Potential profit, $200 to $1,500 or more per month, depending on your subscription base. Why it works. Companies are always looking for creative ways to get their products into customers' hands. By offering to feature their samples in your curated box, you're essentially providing them with free advertising, and you get to charge your subscribers for the service. Pro tip, start by approaching small businesses or local artisans who want exposure but may not have a large marketing budget. The more niche your box is, the better. Think eco-friendly home goods or pet-friendly products. Home Organizer for Digital Lives. We all know the Marie Kondo craze of organizing physical spaces, but here's a twist. Digital Life Organizer. Many people's digital lives, emails, photos, files, are a chaotic mess. Offer your services as someone who helps declutter and organize people's digital spaces, from their cloud storage to email inboxes, creating a streamlined, stress-free experience. Potential profit, $150 to $1,000 or more per project. Why it works. Digital clutter is a real issue, but most people don't know where to start. By offering to organize and categorize their files, photos, and emails, you're saving them time and mental energy, something they're more than willing to pay for. Pro tip, use free tools like Google Drive, Dropbox, and email filtering services to provide efficient solutions. Create a portfolio by offering free services to friends and family before scaling up. Ethical Hacker Consultant. With cyber threats on the rise, companies and individuals alike are desperate for someone who can safeguard their online presence. If you have a background in IT or cybersecurity, offer your services as an ethical hacker consultant, helping businesses find vulnerabilities before the bad guys do. And the best part? You don't need any fancy equipment to get started. Potential profit $500 to $10,000 or more per project, depending on the size of the company and the scope of work. Why it works. Companies will always pay top dollar to protect their assets and customer data. If you can find the holes in their security, you've got a lucrative, in-demand side hustle that could turn into a full-time gig. Pro tip: offer free vulnerability assessments for small businesses in your area, then leverage those relationships for bigger paid contracts. Don't forget to smash that like button and subscribe so you never miss out on our latest tips and tricks for building your empire. Hit the bell icon to get notified whenever we drop more game-changing business ideas. And hey, if you're serious about taking your side hustle to the next level, check out our exclusive resources and courses down there too. 7. Voiceover actor for AI and robots. Here's one you probably haven't thought of. Voiceover actor for AI and robots. With the explosion of AI assistants, smart speakers, and chatbots, tech companies are constantly looking for fresh voices to power their virtual characters. You can lend your voice to these projects, bringing life to everything from a customer service bot to a virtual personal trainer. Potential profit: $100 to $1,500 or more per gig. Why it works. The tech world is booming, and voice is a key component in creating a user-friendly experience. You don't need to be a professional actor, just a clear, engaging voice and a willingness to follow scripts. Pro tip: start by signing up on platforms like voices.com or Bunny Studio. You can create a demo reel for free and showcase it to potential clients. 8. Online dating profile consultant. Believe it or not, there's serious money in helping people find love. As an online dating profile consultant, you can help singles craft compelling bios, choose the best photos, and even optimize their messages for better responses on dating apps. No startup capital needed, just your wit and knowledge of online dating dynamics. Potential profit $50 to $500 or more per profile. Why it works. Finding love is a top priority for many people, but crafting the perfect dating profile can be overwhelming. By offering to optimize profiles, you're giving clients a better shot at finding the one, and they'll pay for that extra edge. Pro tip: market yourself in local singles groups or online dating forums, offer free consultations to build your portfolio, then raise your rates as demand grows. 9. Virtual property scout for remote investors. Real estate is one of the most profitable industries, but many investors don't have the time or local knowledge to scout properties in different locations. As a virtual property scout, you do the legwork for them, researching potential properties, analyzing the market, and sending back reports to help investors make informed decisions. Potential profit: $500 to $2,500 or more per property, depending on the value of the property and the depth of your research. Why it works. Real estate investors will gladly pay for someone who can save them time by providing detailed property reports. You don't need to be a real estate agent, just a keen eye for deals and solid research skills. Pro tip: start by offering your services on freelance platforms like Upwork, or by reaching out directly to real estate investors in your area. Build a reputation for finding hidden gems, and your services will be in high demand. 10. AI art promoter for NFT creators. With the rise of NFTs, or non-fungible tokens, digital artists are looking for ways to market their work and stand out in a crowded space. As an AI art promoter, you can help artists use AI tools to create unique promotional content for their NFT collections, driving more attention and higher bids for their art. Potential profit: $200 to $5,000 or more per project, depending on the scope of the campaign. Why it works. The NFT space is hyper-competitive, and artists need all the help they can get to promote their collections. By using AI tools to create compelling promotional videos, social media posts, and virtual exhibitions, you're offering them a creative edge that few others can provide. Pro tip: you don't need expensive software. There are plenty of free or low-cost AI tools like Runway ML or DALL-E. Thanks for tuning into Kingdom Cash, where we turn ideas into income. Remember, as you build your online empires, be kind, be humble, and be generous. The world needs more of that. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time on Kingdom Cash.